Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain you how you can send money from Worldremit to Gcash. So let's get started. First, head over to your App Store or Play Store and download the Worldremit app. After installing it, open the app and either sign in or create a new account if you're a first-time user. Once you're logged in, tap the Send button on the home screen. Select the country you're sending money to, in this case, the Philippines, and choose PHP as the currency. Enter the amount you'd like to send and tap Select Method under the receiving options. From the available choices, choose Mobile Money Transfer and then select Gcash as the provider. Now tap Next and proceed to add a new receiver. You'll need to enter the recipient's full name, their 10-digit Gcash number, and their complete address. You'll also be asked to enter their mobile contact so they can receive SMS updates about the transfer. Before moving forward, double-check all the details you've entered to avoid any issues. After confirming everything, Worldremit will show you a full summary of your transfer. If this is your first time using the platform, you might be required to verify your identity by completing your profile. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Once that's done, select your payment method. You can choose from options like Apple Pay, Google Pay, debit or credit card, or even a manual bank transfer. Just be aware that using a credit card might be considered a cash advance and could result in fees from your card provider. In my case, I selected bank transfer, which means I'll need to manually send the amount to Worldremit's provided bank account. This option may take up to 24 hours to process. After you confirm the transaction, you'll be taken to a status page that updates automatically so you can track the progress of your transfer in real time. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully sent money to a Gcash wallet using Worldremit.